Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET. So the last time we heard about the Galaxy S23 Ultra, it was revealed that the overall dimensions of the phone will remain roughly the same, which means the same screen size, same thickness and same battery size. Today we are getting more information about Samsung's design route for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, including details about the design of the rear-facing camera system and the curved screen at the sides. Starting with the curved screen, Ice Universe posted this image on Twitter today showing how the S23 Ultra will look from the top compared to the S22 Ultra. And as you can see, the sides are a little flatter this time and the display isn't as aggressively curved as the S22 Ultra. This means you will get slightly more screen surface area for the S Pen, which is good for note-taking or drawing, but personally I don't like this decision because I love curved displays and more the better. Another advantage of a curved screen is that it makes the phone look thinner than it actually is. Since the S23 Ultra will retain the same thickness, it will now appear a little thicker because of the less pronounced curves. But you see, design is subjective, so a lot of you dislike these curved panels, so I guess it's good news for some of you. Now coming to the rear camera design, Ice Universe says with 100% certainty that the S23 Ultra will retain the same camera design as the S22 Ultra, which is actually a great decision because in my opinion, it's the best looking camera setup out there. Perhaps the size of the lenses may get bigger because of the new 200 megapixel sensor, but either way, it's good that they are sticking with the same design. If you are wondering, the rear camera of the S23 Ultra will include a 200 megapixel main camera, a 10x periscope zoom camera, a 3x telephoto camera and an ultra-wide camera. Apart from the main camera, everything else will remain the same. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates, and I will see you on the next one.